If your meal prep routine is chaos and your taste buds are bored, you need a plan. Customized, delicious, stress-free, ready to mix things up. Here's how I, as a personal chef, create a meal plan that fits you. Your health goals. Cravings. Any restrictions. First, I get to know your needs. Maybe you're aiming for more energy plant-based meals going gluten-free. Next, it's flavor. Love a spicy kick or more of a comfort food fan? Let's map out your week breakfast. Overnight oats with berries and chia. Ingredients: oats, milk or plant milk, chia, berries. Prep, mix, refrigerate overnight. Grab and go. Breakfast: veggie-packed egg muffins. Eggs, spinach, peppers, cheese optional. Bake 20 minutes. Store in fridge lunch. Mason jar salads. Greens, beans or chicken, grains, dressing on bottom. Lunch: grilled chicken wraps. Grilled chicken, hummus or yogurt spread, crunchy veg. Assemble fresh or pre-sliced swap proteins to fit goals. Dinner: sheet pan salmon and veggies. Salmon, broccoli, sweet potato, olive oil, spices. Roast 20-25 minutes. Dinner: hearty lentil stew, lentils, tomatoes, carrots, onions, spices. One pot makes great leftovers, hearty or light. Both fit a week plan. Snack: Greek yogurt with nuts and a drizzle of honey. Snack: hummus and sliced veggies. Protein and crunch snack: fruit and date energy bites. Dates, oats, nuts. Roll and refrigerate. I'll list every ingredient up front. Basics to keep stocked: oats, eggs, beans, greens, salmon, spices, nuts, fresh produce. Prep is key. Batch chop veggies. Cook grains ahead. Portion snacks for grab-and-go store meals in stackable containers. With a smart plan, eating well isn't a chore, it's a life upgrade. Want your own custom meal plan? Drop your goals in the comments, and let's make it happen.